Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm kicking off my first challenge with Hackerrank dashboard, which is very exciting for me. I don't have any points because you can see my points are 0 out of 35, and I need 35 more points to get my first star with my Python badge. Also, I haven't really verified my email, so if you haven't also, go and click on the link that is in your email, because if you don't do that, you won't be in the leaderboard. So without further ado, let's go ahead. This is my first challenge. I gotta write a program that says, say, hello world with Python. It is easy. You get 5 points for that, and the success rate is 96.89%. I really like this statistics on challenges because that tells me how good I am doing compared to other people. Quick intro how this works. So you've got the description of the problem on the left side, and you've got where you can code on the right side. I understand that this statement might seem a bit weird. I'm going to make a video on that. But remember, don't get scared with this statement if you don't understand it. This essentially allows you to run the program that you will be writing underneath that, or you will be writing above that, and then you will be referring to that underneath this. It allows that to run. I understand this is very complicated, but imagine you saying up here, paint the house red, but don't do it until I tell you down here. So you put the action here, paint the house red, and when you say run paint the house red, this program goes ahead and paints your house red. That's essentially what happens. So don't really worry about it if you don't understand it. I'll make a video and I'll put the link up the top right. Choose your language. So I have the option of using PyPy 3 and Python 3. I can change the theme. And if I want to go back to what it was in the first place, if I want to reset this screen, I just press this. Reset this screen, doesn't do anything because I haven't changed anything. The very first point is that please read this question really, really carefully. This is a very simple code to write, I understand it. But as you go on, as you progress, you really need to understand the question. Question number 1. Here is a simple line of code that can be executed in Python. Print hello world. So if you haven't seen my print hello world video, I've left a link up the top right. Go ahead and have a look. That's in PyCharm, which is really interesting. You can just as easily store a string as a variable and then print it in that std out. And the std out is essentially what comes down the bottom right. I don't have it now because I'm not really running any code, but that will be the std. So here is std in, the white area. The std out will be at the bottom. So you want to say my string is hello world and print it. They want us to write a solution that in the std out, which is the outcome, I can see hello world. I think that's very easy. Just gonna say hello world. I'm not gonna run this code because I'm not quite sure if I typed exactly what the program wants. Look at what they want. They want hello, a comma, world, and an exclamation mark. I have missed that comma. If I run this code right now, look at that. It will say, oh, it's really wrong. You couldn't do it. Look at that. It says, wrong answer. We wanted hello, comma, world. You gave us hello, nothing world. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, I'll go up and I'm going to put a comma here, run the code again. And in the std out, it says, oh, congratulations, you have passed the sample test case. Okay, once you run it, you get the green light here. You got to submit it to go to the next one. And it says, yep, success. Hello world is correctly done. And I earned 5 points. And I am 30 points away from first star on my Python badge. Thank you for tuning in. I would appreciate if you hit the like button. It's a really nice gesture from your side for me spending a lot of time preparing these videos, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.